completed. Now the 816 moves up into second spot now with 7 laps completed. Here comes number 8. She's going to catch up some lost ground. 519, 816 battling it out. They come around the corner. They get another lap on the scorecard as they continue to play. There is number 519 right there with 9 laps completed. 816. Brock Friends in second spot, 816 with 8 laps completed. 816 is actually 1 lap behind the 519 car. 9 laps completed now as they cross the start finish line right there. Now 10 laps completed for number 519 as they continue to play. Now 10 laps completed on 519. Second place at this point in time is 816. 816 with 10 laps completed. She's 1 lap behind the lead car, number 519. Alena still has the lead. They check that in very carefully as they come around the corner, trying very hard not to get caught up there. Now 12 laps completed on 519 and 11 laps completed on number 816. 15 is the magic number. That's the one they want to get to first. That's when the race stops, when the first car crosses the line on their 15th lap. 13 laps completed now on 519. She's got 2 more to go. 12 laps completed now on 816, still in second place. It's still anybody's race. 3 of the 4 cars are still going. In fact, they're all still going. Now 14, watch 519. 519 now has completed 14 laps. All she has to do is get back around to the start-finish line once again, and she may very well be the winner of our first heat here tonight as they continue to play. And there's the flag.
That's the Demolition Derby, guys.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your winner.